वेलकम टू पे करें में आपका स्वागत है।
वेलकम टू पे करें में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मेरठ जिले के साथ साथ 4 जिलों की एमडी सुनंदा जी को सपोर्ट देने के लिए दिल्ली से विपिन मागवाना उपस्थित हैं। आज आप सभी को दिल्ली के विपिन मागवाना जी बताएंगे कि एमडी के क्या क्या कार्य हैं।
मास्टर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर मेंबरशिप। पे करे invites such a person, organization, company, firms to become a master distributor,
whom you do not even none, or those who have experience of doing network work for mobile, who have experience of writing post, make post and sharing post and social website.
Benefits of becoming a master distributor in Pe Kare. He will get commission on all.
Each master distributor will be given on area of one district.
Countless distributor you can made in the above of one district.
Countless retailers can be made in above one district.
In the above of one district, unlimited number of user customer you can be created.
One district you will get commission on all those whom you order online.
Whenever a distributor retail user customers recharge books and tickets, avails an insurance service, avails a loan, he will get commission on all.
Every 100 rupees recharge will get 10 paise commission. This commission will be minimum of 1 paise and maximum 1 rupees. Whether this recharge is done by any retailers and any user and customer.
10 paisa commission you will receive on every rupees 100 tickets booking. This commission will be minimum of 1 paise and maximum up to 1 rupee. Whether this ticket is done by any retailer or any user customer.
The commission will be a minimum of 10 rupees and maximum 100 rupees on payment of each loan insurance complete.
Whenever such offline services will be paid or any retailer or user customer will receive any office. Each master distributor will be commissioned as follows.
1 rupees will be received on each PAN card, offline or online PAN card service.
10 rupees will be received on every income tax return.
20 rupees will be received on each GST registration.
20 rupees will be received on every GST return.
20 rupees received on every FSI registration.
20 rupees will be received on each food license.
Every Udyam Aadhaar will be get 20 rupees.
10 rupees will be received on each passport registration.
20 rupees will be received on each trademark. Suppose in this way when there are 10 lakh user in your area zone, then you will get at least 3 or 5 lakhs per month commission only for recharge.
In this way, only 10,000 offline services has been done in a month out of the said 10 lakh user. Then you will continue to receive commission of at least 2 lakh.
Suppose in this way when there are 10 lakh user in your area zone, then you will get at least 3 or 5 lakhs per month commission only for recharge.
Only 10,000 offline services has been done in a month out of the said 10 lakh user. Then you will continue to receive commission of at least 2 lakh. For example, only 1% of the user has done the work of offline services. Even then, approx commission of 2 lakh rupees will be continue to be received.
In this way, a master distributor will continue to receive a commission. 1000 rupees will be received on each distributor credited by the master distributor.
Your master distributor will be get rupees 100 rupees. Whether it is made directly by you master distributor or made by your distributor.
Even a distributor become direct, then only 50 rupees will be received on such a distributor will be added to you.
If any retailer become directly, then only 50 you will be received and such a retailer will be added below you.
Which document will be required to get master distributorship and what information will have to share?
Individual institutional companies firm you want to become a master distributor. You have to send following documents: name, mobile numbers, email and PAN cards. Aadhaar card, bank passbook, name, address, page, GST number and certificate, if any, name and certificates of the shop, institutional firms, committee, etc. If any, PAN card of shop, institutional firms, committee, etc. If any.
Pe Kare master distributor fee.
1 lakh rupees registration fees plus GST 18% never refundable.
50,000 will have to deposit in wallet. You will get 12% bonus per annual on the amount of money deposit. And you can do also use in 50,000 rupees in your business like recharge, ticket bill payment can be used in service.